welcome to Hallabol. You are watching our English news bulletin at this moment. Before moving to the details, let us have a look at the headlines. Once again, acting President Piju showed naked groupism. None of the senior leaders and bloc presidents invited at the dharna on increasing rates of fuel. Former Chief Minister Manik Sarkar contradicted the CM Biplab Kumar Dev's reply to his letter amidst a press meet on Saturday. Tripura left front parties to stage protest on July 7 against high fuel prices at Agartala. BPL family's patient died due to wrong treatment. TMC hospital did not release dead body of patient for pending bill of 3.5 lakhs. Now the news in details. Along with the 4 blocks, acting President Piyush Kanti Biswas conducted a dharna on the increasing rates of fuel at Agartala. Surprisingly, none of the bloc Congress presidents could be seen present at the protest demonstration. Also, no senior party leaders or members remained present. Along with the 4 blocks of Tripura Pradesh Congress at evening around 5 p.m., acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush Biswas conducted a dharna on the unprecedented increase in the rates of petrol and diesel at Agartala. But in the name of dharna, once again, acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush showed naked fractionism or groupism. The dharna conducted in the name of 4 block Congress of the state, none of the block Congress presidents could be seen present at the agitation program. Though acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush Biswas conducted the dharna in the name of Bonomalipur Block Congress, but Bonomalipur Block Congress candidate, 3 times MLA and ex-CLP leader Gopal Chandra Roy was not invited in the program. Presence of Mahila Congress members in larger number than compared to others was noticeable in the agitation program. Also, though the program was conducted in the name of 4 block Congress, only a limited number of 30 to 40 people could be seen. The reason behind a scant number of members is because acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush never invites any other Congress leaders or members of the Congress party rather than his limited group of own people. These policies of acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush Kanti Biswas from the day of being appointed as the acting president has demoralized the Congress party leaders and members. Congress leaders Gopal Roy, Shubal Bhomik along with other leaders were also not invited in the agitation program. Though acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush committed the Congress High Command to run the Tripura Congress Party along with every party member, supporter and sympathizers togetherly, but he did nothing in this regard. He has been running the party as his personal property along with a limited number of advocates and part-time Congress leaders who are obedient to him. Due to this behavior of Congress towards the keen party leader and members, supporters, every member of the Congress party at the levels have been demoralized. Also, under acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush, Congress party's roots in the soil of Tripura is uprooting day by day. Bureau Report, Hallabol. Ayushman Bharat project is still a myth for lakhs of poor. BPL family's patient died allegedly due to wrong treatment at TMC on Saturday. After 40 days of suffering due to wrong treatment by Dr. Dilip Bhomik, TMC Hospital Authority did not release the dead body for rupees 3.5 lakh pending bill. BPL family's patient died allegedly following wrong treatment at Tripura Medical College, Hapania after 40 days of suffering allegedly due to wrong treatment of Dr. Dilip Bhomik at Bhomik Nursing Home. TMC Hospital Authority is now not releasing the dead body for rupees 3.5 lakhs of pending bill. In such an incident, a woman, Shukla Chakraborty of Town Pratapgarh area of Agartala, who was suffering with tumor, died after 40 days of hardship allegedly due to wrong treatment by Dr. Dilip Bhomik in Bhomik Polyclinic and Nursing Home at Kalyani, Agartala. After her operation for 4 long hours, Dr. Dilip Bhomik declared her condition to be critical and was sent by him to TMC Hapania for better treatment. Here it is to be noted that Dr. Dilip Bhomik is appointed as a doctor in TMC Hapania, who also runs a private nursing home of his own at his home. Such allegations of wrong treatment have also been raised in his name of Dr. Dilip Bhomik and Bhomik Nursing Home previously also.
ডাক্তার দিলীপ ভৌমিকের আন্ডারে ভর্তি হয়েছে। বাড়ির মধ্যে সমস্ত কাজ টাজ করে সেরা খাওয়া লওয়া লইয়ে সেরা মা আমার সুস্থ মা গিয়ে সেরা ভর্তি হয়েছে পরে দিয়া কি এর দরকার, রক্তের দরকার। তো অনেক কি করলাম, সব দিকে দেখলাম মার যে রক্ত, এই রক্ত আমরা পাইতেছি না। দিলীপ ভূমিকে কি করলো গিয়ে সেরা আবার হাঁপানি হসপিটালের ডাক্তার হাঁপানিয়াতে রক্তের ব্যবস্থা করছে করে সেরা।
Been admitted at TMC Saturday morning, Dr. Dilip Bhomik declared Shukla Chakraborty to be dead. Also, since the operation, she was critical to her health with even no consciousness. The body of late Shukla Chakraborty is now given by the TMC Hospital Authority for rupees 3.5 lakh pending bill. Here it is to be noted that when TMC is a government-aided hospital and the family of the deceased lies below poverty line, how come such a huge amount of bill has been made by the hospital authorities?
রেডি করে লেছে রক্ত সহকারে মা সহকারে অপারেশন করে লেব, অপারেশন থিয়েটার। তখন আমি জিজ্ঞাসা করলাম, স্যার আপনার না করছেন রক্তর আগের দিন দেওয়া হইব? তো তুই ডাক্তার না আমি ডাক্তার, আমি কি ঘাস খাওয়া ডাক্তার হয়েছি রে? তো অনেক কি করলো, মারে নিয়ে সেটা ঢুকাই লেছে অপারেশন থিয়েটার। আমার বাবার থেকে কোনো সাক্ষরতা সই টই কিচ্ছু নিছে না, বা আমার থেকে কোনো সই নিছে না। তারপরে আমার
Ayushman Bharat project is still a myth for lakhs of poor. Also, the Tripura BJP government has seized free medicine services from the government hospitals. All this has led to miserable consequences for the poor families to save a patient's life. We have previously heard of huge billing amounts in private hospitals or nursing homes like ILS and many more. But the question still remains how a government-aided hospital like TMC Hapania demanded rupees 3.5 lakh billing amount from a BPL family. Bureau Report, Halabol. Former Chief Minister and leader of the opposition Manik Sarkar contradicted the Chief Minister's reply to his letter regarding appointment to the post of DGP, SPOs and alleged abolition of Directorate of Prosecution. Former Chief Minister and leader of opposition Manik Sarkar contradicted the Chief Minister's reply to his letter regarding appointment to the post of DGP, appointment of SPOs and alleged abolition of Directorate of Prosecution. Speaking to a group of media persons in the state CPIM office today, Sarkar said that in his letter to the Chief Minister he had expressed reservations over the appointment to the post of DGP, on which Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb expressed contrary views. Ex-Chief Minister Manik Sarkar said what happened in the time of appointment to the post of DGP during left rule was that we had appointed KTT Singh as acting DGP because he was the senior most IPS in the state with 25 years of service. But before his confirmation in the post, we got the verdict of the Central Administrative Tribunal CAT and appointed BL Bora to the post of DGP. Secondly, K Nagaraj had also been appointed as the acting DGP because of his senior most status considering the pending CBI case against him. And by the time he got acquitted by the CBI, AK Shukla had come and had been appointed to the post of regular DGP and K Nagaraj had left the state by then. He also said that he is sure that the Chief Minister was long rebuffed by the officers on this issue.
এখন সবটা মিলিয়ে এখন ধরুন আমি যে চিঠি দিয়েছিলাম এটা যদি আবার বলি হয়তো সময় যাবে, আপনারা জানেন সবাই এটা অনেকেই ক্যারি করেছে। আমি ওখানে যাচ্ছি, সম্মানীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর জবাব দিতে গিয়ে যেটা বলছেন উনি ডিজি নিয়োগের পদ্ধতি সম্পর্কে বলছেন, সেটার একটা হিস্ট্রি আছে। এটা কিন্তু সেভাবে চিঠিতে রেফার্ড হলো না। Hesitation in saying that the allegations made in your letter are totally baseless and unfounded. আমি এতক্ষণ যা বললাম তাতে মনে হলো না, আমি তো সবগুলো তথ্য দিয়ে বললাম। তারপরে লাইন হচ্ছে you appear to have made assertions based on concocted news items without ascertaining the facts. নিউজ আইটেম যে পত্রিকাগুলি দিয়েছে আমার তো মনে হচ্ছে না তারা দিয়েছে যে আমার তো কোথাও কনককশন আছে। তারা গভর্নমেন্টের নানা সময় নানা স্তরের যে ডিসিশন, বক্তব্য, প্রেসমিট এগুলির ভিত্তিতে রিলিজ করেছেন, তাদের এখানে চাপাচ্ছে কেন এটা?
On the issue of SPO appointments, Sarkar said that the SPOs had been appointed during the left rule in view of the abnormal situation in the state because of raging insurgency. He further added, I do not oppose the appointment of SPOs, but appointing of regular police and TSR jawans is more of an imperative.
এবং অনেকের বক্তব্য কয়েক হাজার, আমার তাদের বক্তব্য ছিল এই খালি পোস্টগুলো পূরণ করুন, এটা না করে এসপিইউ করছেন কেন? এসপিইউ তো পুলিশের কাজ করতে পারবে না, পিএসআর এর কাজ করতে পারবে। শূন্যপদগুলি পূরণ করুন। এসপিইউ ত্রিপুরাতে করেছিলাম, বিএল বোরা প্রস্তাব দিয়েছিলেন এক্সট্রিমিস্ট প্রবলেম, আমাদের লোক কম, সেন্ট্রাল কাছে যা দাবি করছি সেই ধরনের সিকিউরিটি ফোর্স দিতে পারছে না, তখন এক্সট্রিমিস্ট প্রোন যে ডিস্ট্রিক্ট বা যে থানা, সেই এলাকাকে ওই এলাকার ছেলে ডিএম এসপি আলোচনা করে তালিকা করে গভর্নমেন্টের অ্যাপ্রুভাল নিয়ে অ্যাপয়েন্ট করবেন। তারা সিকিউরিটির কাজের জন্য যারা যুক্ত তাদেরকে হেল্প করবেন, এক্সট্রিমিস্টদেরকে কি করে কন্টেইন করা যায়, মোকাবেলা করা যায়, কনফার্ম করা যায়। এখন তো এক্সট্রিমিস্ট প্রবলেম নাই।
Reacting to the Chief Minister's assertion that the prosecution direction had not been closed, opposition leader Manik Sarkar questioned, "This is exactly what we want, but if the directorate had not been closed, why the only deputy director has been attached to the Home Department?" Bureau Report, Halabol. Tripura Left Front Committee amidst a press meet on Saturday declared the left parties to protest against rising fuel prices on 7th of July. Tripura Left Front Committee amidst a press meet on Saturday declared left parties to protest against fuel price hike on 7th of July. CPIM along with other left parties to stage protest on July 7 against petrol diesel price hikes in Agartala. In a press briefing, Tripura Left Front convener Bijan Dhar detailed the media about the upcoming program. Along with petrol price attacks in blood donation camps, ADC powerhouse tussle issues also to be raised at the protest demonstration. Bijandhar said the BJP government in Tripura has continuously showed its racist character by attacking opposition party leaders, families and houses, along with party offices and many more.
মানে যে কোন দিকে যাচ্ছে, বাম দিয়ে শুরু হয় হামলা, কিন্তু ডান কিন্তু রেহাই পায় না। এটা আমরা কংগ্রেস যুব সমিতির সেই 88 থেকে 93 পর্যন্ত এই সময়টাতে দেখেছি। শুরু হয়েছিল বামকে দিয়ে, তাদেরকে আক্রমণ করার মধ্য দিয়ে, শেষ হয়েছিল কিন্তু কংগ্রেস পর্যন্ত আক্রান্ত হয়েছিলেন। এখন আমরা এই জিনিসটা সেখানে লক্ষ্য।
He further added, under the Modi government, the economy has been fully destroyed. The government has no money, and to overcome this, the Modi government has imposed brutal taxation on the people. Bureau Report, Halabol. Well, that's all from our English desk at this moment. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Halabol. Well, that's all from our English desk at this moment. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Halabol.